My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
What's cracking, YouTube? It's me, your host Toon, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing up a sneaker pickup / sneaker review, early review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor: like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my man Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. All right, so on my way to the spot. Give you this early review. I don't think I did an early review in a little bit. I mean, it probably haven't been that long, but on an anticipated shoe that I was looking forward to, and I'm excited because I'm finally going to be able to have this shoe in hand so I can really see it, to see if I know, like, from the images I knew I want the shoe, but now I can see it in hand to see if, you know, sometimes the actual shoe won't be as good as the images, and vice versa. Sometimes the images make the shoe looks worse than it is, and then you get it in person and it looks, you know, better. So this right here is going to tell me all I need to know about this shoe, and if I want to get it or not, if I'm going to cop it or drop it. So only going to be my second pickup of the month of June also, because I picked up what did I pick up? The lattes. I think the lattes came out in June. I think that. Or was it some KDs or Kobe's? No, the Girl Dads. The Girl Dads. I don't think the lattes came out in June. Maybe it came out in May. I don't know. But this is either going to be my second pickup or my third pickup, something like that. But I have been slowing down on my shoes. All right, we're going to get to it. Y'all gonna have to excuse this right here. I burnt myself. I don't even ask how, but so I got a little scar right there. It's healing up right now, so y'all gonna have to excuse my deformity. But anyway, like I said, on the way to the spot, be there in like 5 minutes. Get y'all some in-depth looks at this sneaker, and then we're gonna go back to the house after I get some food, and I'm gonna give y'all some detailed information. So until then, enjoy the in-hand review and see y'all when I get back. Okay. As you can see, we got this top green. Love that green glow of this Jordan box. Jumpman in the center. Flight right there under it. Let's get to it. Oh, I like that little speckles right there. You see that? I like that. All right. Reads Air Jordan 4 Retro White Oxidized. Probably said that wrong. Green white. I forgot to address the retail price. I think it's gonna be like $210, something like that, maybe $220. I'll give it to you when I get home. Size 13. This is not my personal pair, but I will, and I repeat, I will be getting these. So just want to give y'all this early review on these. Got that cement paper right here, and without further ado, ooh, these are fire. These are fire. This is a big ass shoe. It's size 13. Hold on. Without further ado, we got the Air Jordan 4 Oxidized Green. Boom. Okay, so I think it's pronounced Oxidized. I could be wrong, but right off back, bro, I love this shoe, bro. Look at that speckle right there. Look at that glitter right there. That looks so clean. Look, I'm trying to get the best view of that. Look at that. It's nice. Going around the back heel. Got that sail or off-white. That age look right there on the back heel. Also right there by the air bubble unit. Nice tumbled leather, as you can see right there. It's crinkling up. Got that oxidized green under the cage right there, and more of that speckle on the eyelets right there, on a Jumpman with flight right there. Come on top, white laces. I don't think any extra laces come with these, But oh my God, this is just a clean shoe. I mean, I heard some people calling this the poor man's SBs. The SB4 is that, but I mean it's a completely different green. That's like a light green. This is more of a dark green. They're using it, like I said, they're using the word oxidized or whatever like that, oxidized. I'll make sure I get the right term when I get home. But yeah, I just want to give you this first early look at this. These drop next Saturday, so still got time. These are not going for that much. Oh, they got a Jumpman on the back too. They're not really, hold on, is this a, oh, I thought it was gonna be like a, okay, just wanna make sure. Anyway, they're not going for that much on StockX. They're actually going below retail right now. I think the bigger size is probably going for a little bit, maybe $10 enough on something like that. But they're not gonna be hard to get. You will be able to get your pair. This might be the thumbnail right here. I like that. Oh, I might just do that. Hold on, we might do this. Let's do this. Oh, that might be the thumbnail right there. Anyway, nice shoe. I definitely want this shoe though. I like this shoe. Different green. I don't have any greens like this, so y'all let me know what y'all think about this. The Air Jordan 4 Oxidized, Oxidized. Is this a copper drop for y'all? Okay, yeah, let's get back to the house so I can give y'all some actual information about this shoe. Just want to give y'all a first look on it. So yeah, let's get back. All right, I'm home. See Chewy right there. Look at him. Happy to see his daddy. Look at him. I'm gonna make this quick for 2 reasons, and 2 reasons only. One, I told y'all I was gonna get some food before I gave y'all this detailed information, which I did. I stopped by McDonald's. I'm saying right now, I am not in no way condoning McDonald's. Do not go to McDonald's. Don't go get you some real food. I just don't feel like cooking. And I don't feel like spending a bunch of money, so I got McDonald's. And 2, my phone about to die, so that's the 2 reasons. So I gotta get my other phone. Y'all know Classic usually do this part for me, hold the camera for me, but today's Tuesday, and on Tuesdays he go with his mother and his brother, and they do that little family thing or whatever like that. So it's just me. So all right, give me all some information. Hold on, let me come all the way full circle. I probably didn't even have to do that little 360, but I'm trying to block that light from right there. All right, I literally just walked in the door, so I don't even got the information pulled up, but it's not gonna take that long to see. Air Jordan 4, what's it? Oh, I think it's called Oxidon. I don't know the name of it. We you know what? The best thing to do is, let me go to videos first. I'm gonna hear somebody pronounce it. Let's hold on.
SoFi is helping me get my money right to achieve my ambition.
That's from the ad. Hold on, let me turn on these ads. Come on. Come on. Wow, it's 2 ads. I get to skip the second one though. All right. This is Wear Testers. I like that page too. Shout out to the Wear Testers.
My name's Chris. Welcome back to the official WearTesters.com YouTube channel. Today, we got a detailed look and review on these beautiful things. This is the Air Jordan 4 in what is being called the oxidized green color.
Oxidized.
I'm going to tell you why.
Oxidized. Let me see. Hold on. Let me go back.
Today, we got a detailed look and review on these beautiful things. This is the Air Jordan 4 in what is being called the oxidized green colorway.
Oxidized.
Well, I'm gonna tell.
I feel like I'm still saying it wrong. Oxidized. But whatever. Y'all know what it is. Y'all know what the shoe is. Now let me give y'all some information. All right, where are we going at? I try to say the same places, but let's see. All right, yep, Sneaker Bar Detroit. Shout out to Sneaker Bar Detroit. Boom, let me close these ads out. And it's going to be right next to me, either that side or this side, but if y'all want to read along, up right now. All right, there go ad. Another ad right there. Let me close that. Anyway, all right, there we go. All right, Air Jordan 4 Oxidized Green releases June 2024. The Air Jordan 4, which first graced us in 1989, swiftly, fucking block that light. There we go. Swiftly won hearts with its groundbreaking style and iconic fight emblem. This sneaker has stood the test of time and remains a beloved classic. Fast forward to 2024, and Jordan Brand is preparing to cement its 35th anniversary 35th, excuse me, anniversary with exciting new releases and fresh color options. Among these is the Air Jordan 4 Oxidized Green, catering to all sizes. The upcoming iteration presents a stylish fusion of white oxidized green and neutral gray tones. White leather base is enhanced by oxidized green accents on the eyelets and midsole. A metallic sheen that extends to the Jumpman logo and inner lining. Completing the design is a white midsole featuring visible air cushioning in the heel, paired with a durable neutral gray rubber outsole. All right, market calendars for June 15. I got switch my hands on hurt. Market calendars for June 15, 2024, as that's when the Air Jordan 4 Oxidized Green is set to hit the shelves. This highly anticipated drop will be available at selected Jordan brand retailers, both in store and via Nike.com. What's even more exciting is that it will be up for grabs in sizes for the entire family with a wallet-friendly price of just $215. I don't know why they said that's a wallet-friendly price. I think I told y'all $210. I feel like they just, I'm not feel like it is. Jordan brand is going up $5 like every year or every few months. This shoe should not be $215. So with taxes going to be like $228 or something, $227, something like that. This shoe should be $200 at the max, $205. So, yeah, I'm not gonna read this part. Let's give y'all some more pictures. $215 is the price tag. June 15 is the initial release. And there we go, some more pictures. And don't mind that 5 positions of weight loss. That was crazy. That was crazy right there. All right, I do like the box. All right, so in closing, do I think this is a cop or drop? For me, I think it is a cop. I like that. I do not have, I'm gonna turn this way. I do not have any shoes with that type of green in it, so I like getting different colors. And I like the white. I like the two color palette tones of white with another color. I just like that. You can match with anything. I like that. So not too much of the primary color of green. It's more white, but like you got the green there where you can wear a green fit with it. You feel what I'm saying? I like that. If it was all green with a little bit of white, it's like you gotta wear that shoe with that color. This is gonna look good with that color, but you don't have to wear it with that color. You feel me? That makes sense. It can be real subtle too. You can throw the shoes on with maybe just that green color with just a hat, and everything else be different. So you can style it. I like that. So anyway, it's a cop for me. Might not be for y'all. Y'all let me in the comments below if this is a cop or drop for y'all. If y'all gonna pick up this shoe when it drops June 15th, next Saturday. Not this Saturday, but next Saturday. Like, subscribe, share. Follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Tune's Kicks and the whole Tune squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.